Yeah, hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we'll just learn how to blend with brush pens. Okay, I want to do a seascape, so for that I'm using these two colors. These are Dome's brush pens, and I'm taking a tissue which is already used, and I have some water, and I'm taking a round bristles brush which is of 12 number size. Okay, so let us start doing this. So for this you need to be a little bit quick for doing this. Okay, now I'm taking a pencil and I'm just drawing my horizon line, which would be somewhere over here. Okay, so whatever colors I'm going to blend, I'm not going to draw until I'm not going to paint with the brushes directly. At least 1 inch above the horizon line and 1 inch below the horizon line. Okay, so let us start doing this. So for this I'm just starting. Okay, so the very first thing what I'll do is I'll just wet my brush first and foremostly I'll wet my brush and keep it aside, and next I'll take my very light color and I'll just give some few zigzag lines, very dark, giving a little bit pressure on this. I told you, right, I'm not going to draw at least 1 inch above the horizon line. So first I'm drawing the sky part. So for this, and now I'm taking water and I'm taking my the brush is completely wet, and I'm going to blend all these lines without finding the brush strokes. Okay, we don't want to see the pen lines exactly what it is there, so we are going to blend all those lines in this way. Take water and blend it very nicely and wait for some time. Don't come down, wait until here. Just clean your brush and now get a little bit of water and just run your brush over here. That's it. Okay, when it is still wet on the top, so what we'll do is we'll take the dark color and we'll just give few strokes, 2-3 lines, very few strokes lightly, and just blend them so that we'll have the dark texture on the top, and there will be a mix of colors here and there. So in this way. Okay, and just calm down using the brush, take some water, calm down and slightly merge all the lines and all. We don't want any clouds or anything right now, so just giving this. Now I'll paint the bottom one. So here also I'll be painting. I'll just leave 1 inch of space and I'll just brush with this brush pen randomly and take complete water and start blending from the bottom in this way. Take water. If your brush is not holding water, the blending doesn't come good. So see that your brush is holding lot of water in this way, and see that you are not having any brush strokes. Blend all the dark and light things in this way. Keep this aside, take the dark color and here just run with at the edges, not completely, here and there a little bit in the bottom, complete bottom. That's it. Take some water and blend even these two. So now take empty brush without any color and just run a little bit in this way. And now we just want here a white line. So we are not going to run any white color or something. So we'll just clean our brush, remove some water and remove the color in this way. Just remove the color with the brush and dab it on the tissue paper. Okay, clean your brush, dab it once again and just try to remove the color and dab it again on the tissue paper. In this way you can find the horizon line over here. Okay, and now if you want some clouds to be seen, same technique. Dip your brush, clean your brush and do some rounds. Give the brush in circular motion and give a line, and you can form some clouds. Or another easy method to form the clouds is take a tissue paper. We don't need much, so you can just stir it and save the other thing for some other, and just fold this and just dab your in this way. Just dab the tissue paper and form the clouds, and just give a line so that they look very much original in this way. And if at all you want to show the reflection of the clouds in the sky, just dab it again and just in this way. See where you have drawn, and just give one single line and just dab the color and remove the color. That's it. So we have got all the blending done with the brush pen. So this is the way we will just blend with the brush pens using water and the ordinary simple brush. So once it is dried, the light color becomes even more light, and we can give the second coat if it is necessary. If not, we can use this seascape for any as background for any theme you can you wanted. Okay, so we'll just wait. After this, we'll see what can we do in the next video. So right now, this is the first step what we have to do for any background, any seascape background. Okay, yeah, I think you all will do this, you all will practice this. So happy drawing, keep drawing, enjoy drawing. Bye bye, take care.